Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be repairing the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360 that a customer sent to us with a damaged screen. The glass and hinge were both damaged on this device when they dropped it, so it looks like we'll be doing a full screen assembly swap out. To open up the laptop, we need to remove the screws on the bottom of the device. The screws are covered by these black tabs. Removing them will allow us to access the screws. After that, taking a thin pry tool, carefully slide it between the bottom panel and the laptop, and gently pry it free. We're going to start with disconnecting the battery. That way, there will be no residual power when we are disconnecting any cables. To remove the screen assembly, we first need to disconnect the cables from the motherboard. To do that, we are going to take a thin pry tool, gently lift the tab, and disconnect the cables. Now, we remove the 6 screws holding the hinges in place. Make sure to unthread the screen cables from the bottom of the laptop so they don't tug and possibly get damaged when we remove the screen assembly. Lift the hinges and separate the parts of the laptop. Now, we put a new screen assembly on bottom and reverse the process. We weren't able to get the same exact color for the replacement screen assembly, so the customer opted to get it in silver. They said they actually really liked the two-tone look. So, this is how you repair a damaged screen assembly on a Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360 laptop. If you need to source a replacement screen for this model, there will be a link down below. If you don't want to do this repair yourself, you can reach out to us on our website over at lcdguarantee.com or our email at info@lcdguarantee.com, where we offer a mail-in repair service. Thanks for watching.